Okay, so this is a super fast, quick how-to and or reuse of something else. This is my ice bucket that I keep in the freezer, in addition to the ice maker, but I did a repurpose on this. You get eggs in these cases. Let me put this on pause because I only have one hand. So there it is, open, and you can see that it has ice cubes in each of the little trays. I'm going to put it on pause again. So hard to do this stuff with just one hand and hold the phone. Okay, so you can see each one of these has that little bead at the bottom. Just push the little bead. Now, I did find out that you don't necessarily want to fill these full. I mean, you can, but it will make very large ice. So I just do a little bit in the bottom. Pop this over real quick. And there, you can see. They are cubes. Well, not cubes exactly, but they're cute. And it's a great repurpose for those plastic egg cartons, and you can do it over and over and over. You do want to keep the lid on it because the next one, which is now fighting me, hold on, because the next one you can stack right on it. And both of these, as you can see, all have ice in them. It's a great backup. So like if your ice maker goes out or something like that, or you need extra cubes and you're just not churning them out fast enough, stack up these egg cartons. And the cool thing is, when you don't need them, they fit inside of each other, so they don't take up a lot of space. Okay, and then just real quick, there it is, right after I put the water back in it. And you can see I just put a little in the bottom. You don't, besides it has those little, I call them spillways right here, like this. One spills into the other. So you don't want to go real full on them anyway. The main reason is because when you go to put that much water in the freezer, in these things, you have to be extremely careful because it will slosh everywhere. So I keep them down to about, you can see that level right there. And pretty much all of these, and it makes cute little flowered ice cubes. That's it.